wanna look at this. My girl, get up for your month. Ooh! Vlogmas ready. It's her month. Her month.
A month.
We at the end of the vlog. What again?
I'm accepting gifts all month long. Send on the gifts then.
Happy Vlogmas 1, guys. So it is day 1 of Vlogmas, guys. It is December 1st. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos, and we are starting off the first day of Vlogmas, guys. So you guys would have probably seen the intro from yesterday, so let's roll the intro again.
Where are you, Christmas?
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Yes, it does.
Alright guys, so I'm starting off the vlog on the phone, and today's vlog is probably going to be on the phone because I have to go to school today. Sucks, huh? Alright, so yes you guys, so I was actually setting up my phone. So I got up from like about 5:30 something, so I was doing some work, and then I decided to start, you know, fixing my phone. So that's what I was doing. So I'm gonna show you guys the end result of the phone in a few. But yes, happy December 1st, guys, and I hope you guys will enjoy Vlogmas with me and with my sister as well. She does a nice body, so I want to her.
Movie vlog.
Oh, she going to have a movie, Christmas movies thingy. Right now I need to finish what I'm doing. I'm gonna do probably like 2 more, and then I need to like get ready to go to school because they say that electricity will be out today. I'm not even sure if that will be the case, but I gotta be ready.
Remember last year?
I'm say last year was a blackout too. Like this year again. Anyways, yes guys, I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna show you guys the phone in a sec. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be wearing this black pants. We're gonna try and get something like Christmas looking ish. So I'm taking my red blouse, come on now. So yes, the red blouse as well as the black pants. It's Christmassy enough, you know, so that's gonna be the fit. I'm gonna find like my shoes, which I already know is shoes, and then just accessories and all that. Yeah. Look at studios. Look at studios. All right, guys. So I'm bathed now. You alright? You alright? Alright. So I've bathed and I showered and all. Don't mind my whatever up here. So, anyways, I'm gonna eat and then go for school because it's now 9 and I have school at 10 and I have to factor in, you know, taxi. So yeah, so this is breakfast, guys, thanks to the chef, you know, around there. Breakfast with some bananas and sardines. Yeah. All right, guys, so I am finished getting ready. Yes, that's the fit. So I'm gonna actually leave out right now. So we're done with meeting, but I'm going to actually go home now. But maybe I'll get some for Shani first. Alright, guys, so I am back home. I'm tired, but I'm back home. So I'm going to change my clothes and actually get some stuff done, housework, because like not come back yet. So yeah. Cheers, guys. Ooh, hey, goodie. Hey. So guys, she washed and she's taking up clothes now. I'm so sorry I went away to leave her, you know. Oh, I'm so sorry. She washed enough to clean up, people. Oh gosh, poor thing. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Yeah, I don't really have that much to do right now. I'm gonna actually get some work done, and that's kind of boring for you guys, so I'm gonna end the video right here. So remember, we are gonna do I have 2 shout outs, as well as, you know, the motivational shout outs, as well as the emojis. So that's that part of the video. Yes, guys, by the way, for the advent calendar thing, it seems I think it's when I press view gift, this is what comes up. So I don't know, I really don't know. So I'm assuming it's a wallpaper, because I could have added it to my thing. So I added it. So yeah. All right, so the comment, the, you know, the unscramble word thingy. So remember, every day I'll be showing a unscramble for the day, and today's unscramble was wreath, and the first person to get that was actually Life of Tash. So shout out to you. You'll have to say nothing. So the first person was Life of Tash, so congratulations, Life of Tash. Shout out to you. So the next one would have been the emoji competition thing, the emoji for you to guess like what it is. So the emoji thing is, they were candy cane, and that goes to, let me see if I can pronounce her name. That goes to Shakay. She was the first person to comment candy cane in the comments. And then for our motivational comment of the day, that's gonna come from Sassy Shan, or her Instagram Bailey Teacher 29. It says to see what is right and not do it is a lack of courage. So to see what is right and not do it is a lack of courage. So yes, that's the motivational comment of the day. And the emojis for today's vlog are, all right, so go ahead and comment down below what you think these emojis are so you can get your shout outs in the next video. I remember it's the first comment, so you know I can't give everybody the comment for every video, so go ahead, comment that down below. So yes guys, that is gonna be the end of today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 1, and I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 2. I hope you guys enjoy. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not as yet. Click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Like this video, share this video, and comment again. Comment. Like the video guys so that it can be pushed out to more people. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.